Hey guys, Casey Sengwins here at Guarantee RV in the beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today I want to show you this new 2018 Jayco White Hawk 28RL, the rear lounge. Start up here in the front. You've of course got the big tanks with the cover, a nice fiberglass front cap, and Jayco has in 18 integrated the front window back into their trailers. A lot of light inside that we'll see. Coming around the outside, you've of course got a nice pass-through storage. It does come with a table and a spot to store your outside table, just a plastic Costco camp table. This particular trailer does have electric stabilizer jacks as well. Coming on down, of course, you've got the full-length awning, outside speakers, spot to mount a TV on the outside. So if the big game's on or the big race is on, you're out camping, you want to watch it, you can do that outside with the fire crackling in the background. Let's go on inside and take a look. This is the rear lounge, so you've got the nice big back window. So when you're backed in, if you're backed up to the lake or the river, the creek, you've got the nice view. You do have some nice shades all the way around as well, so in the evening you can close those down. Get some extra privacy. Lots of storage all around in this trailer. Nice cabinets up above the back here. You've got the two nice recliners back in the back. Moving forward, you've got a nice couch. This couch is a full hide-a-bed, so when you have guests, you've got a spot for them to sleep. A tri-fold hide-a-bed that are actually fairly comfortable. In front of that, you've got a nice dinette. Again, the dinette's going to fold down into a bed as well. Over in the kitchen area, a decent amount of counter space. You've got the nice tile backsplash, part of the White Hawk decor package. And again, nice big cabinets, glass front, gives a little classier look. Nice deep sink, plenty of storage with some drawers. This one's a little pull-out tray, plenty of storage underneath. Of course, the stainless steel microwave, range hood, and your 3-burner stove with an oven. Another thing you'll notice as we're walking through, maybe in the video, there's no heat vents in the floor. All of your heat comes through the cabinetry. So in this big open area trailer, you could put a nice area rug down in the front, in front of the sink. Of course, you got the bigger fridge and freezer. Plenty of room to keep all of your goodies. Nice pantry space here in the kitchen area as well. And then you've got your entertainment area, your entertainment center. Nice big TV, CD player, DVD player, Bluetooth. Yeah, that again covers the inside and the outside speakers. Moving forward, you got a nice window right here. A lot of people comment on this window. Just makes the trailer feel that much bigger. Into the bathroom, you've got a very good sized bathroom with lots of storage in here. You got a nice medicine cabinet with a nice vanity and a nice glass round shower. A lot of room in there. Plenty of room, plenty of headroom as well. You've also got a little night light here for in the evening. One little LED light to keep it light. Porcelain toilet, which is nice. Something expected in a trailer of this quality, this caliber. Moving forward into the bedroom. The bedroom is a bedroom. There's that beautiful window again. Of course, you do have shades up here somewhere that you can pull down, so you're not without privacy. This is a full-length residential queen-size bed. You do have nice hanging wardrobes on either side. Of course, you've got storage underneath the mattress as well with the strong arms to hold the mattress up. They've got nice little bins here. Act kind of as extra drawers, so you can put your shoes or your nighties or your whatever else you may want to put in there. And the exterior door and a spot for a second TV in here in the bedroom. Again, guys, this is the 2018 Jayco White Hawk 28RL. If you're interested in this trailer or any other trailer that we may have in inventory, give me a call. I'd love to show you around. Again, my name is Casey. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Look forward to hearing from you.